Welcome back to On the Beat, everyone. Isaac hosting again this week. And this week we have Patrick Wooten rejoining us from Richard Schwartz and Associates. Patrick, good to have you here this morning.
Good to see you, Isaac.
All righty, we'll get things started here. Say somebody maybe has moved to the state or
Yep.
to the area searching for law firms. What kinds of cases do y'all handle?
Yeah, that's a great question. You know, in the 40 years that we've grown, people think of us for auto accidents, which is number one what we do, but we handle slip and falls, workers' compensation injuries, Social Security disability, and then also some mass tort cases that we've talked about on the beat before, like Roundup cases and CPAP and the 3M earplugs and a bunch of other ones over the years.
Sure. So injury sounds like kind of a common theme. So why would maybe a new resident go with your firm?
You know, that's great. There's over 10,000 lawyers in the state of Mississippi, but I like to think that at Schwartz and Associates, you know, we are the most talented group of people. We're the biggest personal injury law firm in the state, but yet we're local enough to be in your neighborhood. You know, there's 5 offices across the state, and so we have the expertise, we've got the wonderful people. I mean, our team is more than 130 people strong, and just the knowledge to be able to battle with the insurance companies day in and day out.
Yeah, so of those 5 cities, what 5 cities across the state are
so
those?
we are great. Jackson, Hattiesburg, Meridian, Tupelo, and then actually have a second location in Jackson. So we're doubled up in Jackson just because as big as it is.
All right, so you mentioned local Mississippi way. What's the difference? What makes that advantageous to you folks?
You know, I think that's the best thing about Mississippians is we're so caring, we're so concerned about each other, and that really we're one of Mississippi. We're one of the folks here. All of us are from Mississippi. We're part of the team, and that helping aspect that we want to see people recover, get well from their injuries, to make the best recovery we can in the timeliest process that we can.
Yeah, and I'm sure the most pain-free, process as well.
Absolutely.
How long is the firm? You mentioned 40 plus years.
Yes, 40 plus years. I've been there 23 years. One of our other partners has been there almost 25 years. So that's the cool thing about the firm is we've got people that have been there 20 plus years, so have seen us grow from Richard and 1 legal secretary to now having 24 attorneys and 130 staff members.
Wow, so pretty large firm there. So anything else you'd like to add on top of that, just in terms of what cases you might represent or things like that?
Yeah, I mean, I love it when people call us. We love the opportunity just to talk to people and help educate them. Information is power, and we get that. People will call from time to time and just have questions, and we can provide, information to them because there are certain cases that we're not going to take, but we can give them a roadmap so that they can get a recovery. But more so, we love just being able to help people to reduce that stress. Being in a wreck or getting injured is so stressful. Your medical bills, your injuries, lost wages. We want to just help make it as seamless as possible for you to get well and get recovered.
All right, Patrick, we sure appreciate your time this morning. And if you'd like some additional information, of course, from this particular week's segment, you can head over to the information there listed on your screen. We will be back after this.